I know many people are interested in making money online. I often watch videos from YouTube. So I introduced my project called Money Making Fact Check.
The transcription jobs.
This video is talking about making money as a side hustle called GoTranscript.com. I'm not sure which one I missed, but I changed my strategy English language as my second language. GoTranscript.com said, so it takes around a month. When I went to GMR Transcriptions, this job was only applicable for US based. GMR Transcriptions X. The third website was Rev.com. They said only these countries are available on the list. This website, I found one website called Transcribe Me, and there's a English entrance exam. So here it said but I failed again. I tried 4 websites so far. First, GoTranscript.com. Second, GMR Transcription. Third is Rev.com. Fourth, Transcribe Me. This is difficult, but I believe I can do it. If you like my video, please give me like, click the subscribe button, and leave your comment down below. Hi, Peter Parks here. So what happened the last time? Tried to apply for transcription jobs in 4 websites. The result is I failed all. I personally think that getting transcription job is difficult and it is not as easy as I thought. So I looked for different websites that I didn't try yet, because there are a number of websites that I can try still out there for transcription job. So I make the list first, and I have now more than 20 websites on the list. I hope there is opportunity to get a job. I'm not sure, but I have to try. Let's check this out. The new website I found is Scribie.com. This website looks fine, as normal as the other transcription job website I tried. Normally, you can find the more information on the bottom of the website, which is the footer field. If you are looking for the transcription job, there is a transcribe button down below. So I click on this. The title says Scribie Audio Video Transcription Service, Introduction, Guideline. I quickly look around here too. Introduction. Scribie.com offers a great opportunity to augment your income by transcribing audio files for us. The work involves listening to the audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. So I click sign up. Email box, my mailbox. Submit. Okay. So test the file. I can see here files. It's not available right now. When invite notification was sent to you, but all those have been selected. Okay. Blue play button to preview the audio quality. and select the easiest one. Once selected, the raw transcript has to be submitted within 2 hours. Now, I went through all stages just right before the entrance test for transcription job. However, as I said, there was no any test available for me at the time. So I did sample demo test and I got a feedback. This is good. I have confidence for transcription job after looking at this feedback because I can see what mistakes I have and where I miss. It wasn't a big mistake. It was all about punctuation, upper and lower letters. So I made 3 mistakes repeatedly. I've done all in Scribie.com and there's no any further step except for the entrance test. Because no availability for me. So I have to wait, and at the same time, I'm going to try another website called CastingWords and see how it goes. CastingWords audio transcription services. I'm going to check this out. CastingWords transcription. Okay. Freelancers down there. Seems simple. Let's see down here. Easy steps to get started. Yes. Every website say like that, but so far I failed. I'm going to try register or log in now. Okay, click on this, apply here, name. Okay, get started. Oh, what I'm surprised at this website, there's my profile picture here. That's interesting. That's old one. Okay, PayPal account here. Okay. So I cannot apply for this one because I figured out only US and Canada. Only available US and Canada. Okay. I see. Let's change another website. My idea is that I'm going to try US address and I want to see the result. Yeah, so I hope to pass this application. I'm not sure, but I think I have to try. I put the information about US address and I move on to next step, which is good. This section is about introduction part. I write my brief introduction here and I finally move on to the test page. And I see the final step in our application process is a short transcription test. The audio clips range from 90 seconds to a bit over 6 minutes. Allow yourself at least half an hour to take the test, although you will be given longer than that. When you click the Start Transcribing Test button below, you will be taken to your My Job page, which shows everything assigned to you at any given time. In this case, the test assignment, click the job title to open the assignment page and get started. Now I'm quickly looking around. Now I'm in end of the entrance exam here, which is good. There are 2 tests waiting for me. I'm going to take a test, but I cannot share everything because it's probably confidential. So after this test, I'm going to share the result with my experience. I finished the test and it said Thank you for applying to the CastingWords workshop. We will email you the results after we have reviewed your application. So this is good. Anyway, I've done everything here, just waiting for the result. Let's see. Ho ho ho! I got approval. 2 tests our approval, which is good. Now I'm ready to work for them. This is good. Nice. It's been around a week since I tried. Finally, I got the first approval from the website. That's nice. I'll see you next time, and if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and then click the subscribe button down below and leave your comment as well. Have a great day. See ya.